Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.
Frank Vogel, please come up and join us. Frank, when you think about all the questions about this team at the start of this year, how would you describe the journey to get from there to this moment?
Well, we have a PhD in adversity, I can tell you that much. We've been through a lot, but I'm so damn proud of this team! World champions! Credit to this group right here, this group of players, for buying into being a team-first team, committed to the defensive end. You became a defensive monster. You saw that tonight. My coaching staff, we've had fun since day one. We've had fun together with this whole process. RP, thanks for the opportunity, collaboration, togetherness. Jeannie and the Bus family, we love you guys. Laker Nation, we did it!
Frank, I have heard you say you weren't the most obvious choice to coach this team, but you were clearly the right coach for this team. Why were you such a perfect fit and voice for these guys?
Just I'm the guy that's going to focus on the work, and that's what this group needed. We had the talent, we just wanted to focus on the work, tie all the strings together, make sure we all play together. We got it done.
Thank you so much, Coach. Congratulations. Now let's hand it.
So ayun mga kaibigan, salamat sa panonood mga kaibigan ha. Mag-like and subscribe ka na kaibigan para updated ka sa mga videos natin. Tulad nito mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat mga kaibigan ha. See you next video mga kaibigan. Stay safe. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.